Who's next?
Yeah, no. I'm just coming to check who you guys are, just so I know, so I can.
For the food, night time I'm coming this place because when I came to Croydon first time, Ringo used to cook food. That time I used to.
Do you do this every night or?
No, 4 times a week.
You do it 4 times. All right, no. I'm not judging or anything. I'm just asking because I've not seen you guys before.
The community that's homeless and that's sleeping rough, and we're here in winter as well, people. So it's important for people to be getting the right food, especially a hot meal, a worthy hot meal that can sustain their body and carry them through to a next day, people. Yeah, so it's very important. So.
Also,
okay.
Smells nice.
I was going to say, and this lot will be hungry.
It smells nice, and our guests would like it, so we're not going to have it.
No.
It's lovely. It's not
No, that's why I just want. No, it's cool.
It's not for us, it's for them.
We've got some stewed chicken and pasta.
Oh wow, good job. It does smell good though. Well done, guys.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
That's it.
Give thanks.
Lid. You lock up here.
Rastafari.
Two of them, yeah?
With the pasta all in one, so we're gonna start sharing out the food in just a little while, people, about 5-10 minutes maximum.
No, it's completed. It's finished. Yeah. Sorry.
That was my fault for standing there fucking chatting away.
Yes, everybody, welcome to 24-hour kitchen. So I'm outside right now. Everything's seasoned and ready, people, yeah? So what I've got on the menu right now, people, yeah, it's cold outside here. We've got some brown stewed chicken. You understand? A good vibes. Yeah, man, I cooked some brown stewed chicken to the people, yeah? That is it, because you know, so the people them outside and them hungry. You understand? So we have to cook the right food for the people. You understand, people? Yeah, man, a good vibe. Look, all the chopped vegetables, them inside.
One time I'm done.
One time I'm done, man. One pack now dealing today, no people. I mean, one pack. Yes, everybody, big up yourself, you know, say the mission continues. You understand? Giving back to the local community, giving back to the homeless. You understand, people, yeah? We have 1 million people to help out here, people, yeah? It's not a joke. So, Sai, how are you? We got Sai on camera today, people, yeah? Big up, Sai. You understand? Sai outside with today. We're right here at the council building here in Croydon, people, yeah? We're just right outside Queen's Garden. We're actually cooking right here at Queen's Garden, you understand? Adam just turned up. Thank you very much, Adam. Pick up yourself. Oh, thank you very much, Adam.
Nice one, brother.
Tuna, put them water here, pan it sitting for me there, please. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Yes. Some onions, chopped onions going inside right now, people, yeah? Wow, look at that. All the fresh ingredients going in. You understand? So, yes, everybody, big up yourself. Thank you very much for everyone that's been on the journey with us so far, that's been supporting us on this mission, you understand? Helping local communities, you understand? Giving back to the homeless. What I'm doing now is adding some flavour, you understand? A good vibes. Yes, people, so big up yourself. I'm here with Sai at the moment. Sai got a premises through the street team, and the street team gave him a premises for like 17 days, but he's back out on the street right now. So Sai's with me today. He's waiting for dinner right now. Sai, tell them your circumstances and let everybody know what's going on and how we can support and help you. Let them know what's been going on since Christmas, because remember in Christmas they gave you a premises for 17 days.
Yeah. When I'm sleeping in Watson Park at the time of Christmas, Streetling find me on after the Christmas.
So what he's saying that he was sleeping in the park and street team, they came out, they assessed his situation and they saw that he was homeless and go on, Sai.
And then when they find me, they give me accommodation temporarily for 17 days in the central London. So after finishing the 17 days, they sent me back to the Croydon. So again, I'm sleeping in the streets only in the Croydon. So for the food, night time I'm coming this place because when I came to Croydon first time, Ringo used to cook food. That time I used to have the food with the Ringo.
That was originally down at Surrey Street Market, people, yeah. Somebody pointed him out and told him to come to me, and I realised that he came all the way from Newcastle and he was more or less stranded here in Croydon. So we took him underneath our wings and just giving him that moral support that he needs to get back into stable living, people. You understand? Go on, say.
When I came to Croydon, that time I used to eat the food with Ringo because he used to cook always in the market. So when I been to the temporary accommodation to the London, I don't know what's happened. Someone pointed and some people gave complaint to stop cooking with the Ringo in the market. So he's not cooking anymore. Now today again he came near the
Town centre. We're here by the registry office, which is here by Queen's Garden, because the mission still continues. What side is saying that they're making complaint of me distributing the food, but at the same time the food is something that's needed for the community, especially the community that's homeless and that's sleeping rough, and we're here in winter as well, people. So it's important for people to be getting the right food, especially a hot meal, a worthy hot meal that can sustain their body and carry them through to a next day, people. Yeah, so it's very important. So regardless if they say that we can't be around, we're still going to be around because there's hungry mouths out here. Because if you're stopping me from being out here, that means you're stopping and you're fighting against the people that are living on the street, living in rough conditions, and that are looking for help. And we're the support people, yeah. And thank you guys very much that are watching right now, that has been supporting us on the journey. You understand? Some of you guys are not even here in the UK, but you're far, you're in other countries, you understand? And big up yourself, whichever country you're in right now. Let me show you what's inside of the pot, what we've got for, on the menu tonight. We've got some stewed chicken.
Smelling good.
Yeah, man, we've got some stewed chicken, people, yeah. You understand? And a joke thing. You understand? This is the thing kick off and a go on nicely. So we're just gonna make this go on stew down, people, for a little while. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little vibes to this as well. We're gonna add some pasta in there as well, you know, to give it a little bit of body. Stew chicken with the pasta, you understand? A good vibe. Just give it some oomph. Yeah. So we're outside with the kitchen right now. Queen's Garden, a good vibe. Side, big up yourself. We're there. Yeah, man, pop pan fire.
Vibe, guys.
What you say? Look for me for how long?
Just listen, from 5:30.
Yeah.
This evening, man, look for you.
I look the
That's
kitchen.
okay. I show it to.
Look me there right now. A brown stew chicken tonight though. A brown stew chicken right tonight.
With pasta.
I don't know no more of that.
Alright, yeah?
Prawn.
A good vibes, a good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we're outside right now. So yeah, man, we're there. So we're gonna be giving out some food right here in the Croydon community. So what's all this documentation about?
It's like food banks, free food places.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's, we have to fill it in and stuff like that, yeah?
What's that from the process?
Alright, yeah, man, we're there, people, outside. We have to give back to the local community and help those that are in need, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, see the vibes, yeah? What we're doing right now, people, yeah? We're adding some pasta in there, understand? This one is it's a chicken, a brown stewed pasta, you know, and chicken, you know, all together like a one pack, you understand, people, yeah?
Mad vibes.
Mad vibes. So when this done cook up and done flavour up, mad thing. Add a little bit of water in there now. That's it. That put about half a litre or 7.5 of a litre in there. You understand? It's gonna just make this just go and cook down now. Just go and do its own thing. You understand, people? Yeah? A good vibes.
Absolutely amazing.
Good vibes, good vibes. So, yeah, man, dinner's on, people, yeah, and we're here. We're at Queen's Garden. What's this building here called, Adam?
It's the registry office.
Registry office.
Yeah, man.
This is where you register everything.
Births, deaths, marriages.
Everything. Right now we've got a long line of people that's Croydon needs a lot of help and a lot of support, people, yeah. So if you're watching this video and you can come out with some support, like some sleeping bags, some essential things that you know that the homeless people might need while they're out on their struggles, you understand, you can make a donation and send out some sleeping bags, some what other essential stuff do you think that will be important for people that are homeless, Adam?
Like you say, clothing, sleeping bags, obviously
food as well,
yeah,
innit?
yeah, definitely food.
But what's an easy accessible food to use? Because remember, there's no heating facilities.
Even if it's tins, like some people when they're out in the streets homeless, they eat like, you get a tin of spaghetti bolognese, tin of beans.
What, cold?
Yeah.
Is it?
So I've seen a few homeless people on the streets, man. Like, just a cold tin of beans, just
Yeah.
eating a tin of beans as it is. You know what I mean? Not even warmed up, but.
So there is. It's tough out here, people.
Even sandwiches are a good one.
Yeah, sandwiches. But we're trying to prevent sandwiches. We want a hot food.
Even at night.
So we want people to more donate. Things that things clothing. They
Clothing is the
need
main one.
clothing. They need essential things that will keep them
Warm and keep them going.
and
Keep 'em
things that-
clean.
and things for hygiene.
Yeah, keep them clean. That's
Hygiene. That's it. A good vibe. We're outside now tonight. Thanks everyone. So yeah, man. So as we're here, right here, Queen's Garden. You understand? We're gonna have the pot of food that's gonna be ready. We've got quite a lot of people that's out tonight. Yeah. So we've got some people out here that's gonna be getting some food tonight. Big up yourself, you understand? Our good vibes. Alright everybody, so we're almost at a completion here. You understand? A good vibe. So we've got the ground stew chicken with the pasta all in one. So we're gonna start sharing out the food in just a little while, people, about 5-10 minutes maximum. You understand? And we'll just start sharing out the good vibes. Big up yourself everybody. Yeah man, we're there, man. They are good vibes. Yes everybody, so the food's soon complete still, so yeah man, our good vibes. So about 5-10 minutes from now I just hand out the food. No, you can't cut off. If you do the same way, man, a good vibes. A good vibes. Where go on down? So how's things been?
Surviving, man. Things always get better.
What did you just get in that cup?
Soup.
What kind of soup?
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup. Bad like nice soup?
Soup's better.
Huh?
The soup's better, man. You know you're a dumb gaga when you cook, man.
Alright, cool. I got something mad on the menu tonight.
You gotta be a master chef, man.
A good vibes. So we just, yeah man, we're outside with the kitchen. Good vibes.
Can't collect, please. He's alright for each other.
Yeah,
It's gonna be overcooked.
let's start sharing up. Alright, a good vibes. Let's start sharing. See, you ready for dinner?
Yeah, brother.
Alright, cool. Yes, everybody, so a good vibe. So we come to a nice completion right now. Yeah, we're just gonna start handing out the food, literally. Like right, a vibe right now. So, do you want their food in the container?
No.
You want it a cup?
No, I have to plate.
You want a plate? Okay. Sorry, can you look in there for some spoons for me, please? And fork. Fork.
Yes.
Here you go, gentlemen. You want a plate? Nice in a plate, innit? You know what I want. We must get it in a plate. A good vibe. Yeah, spoon. Let me get the spoons in.
Yeah, 100%. Always right.
What I got as well, I got some toothbrush and I got some toothbrush and toothpaste.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Anybody can help out anybody that's in need, man. That's a helpful person, you see. Strength up to that person.
That was that. because we've
Chicken
been
and
handing them
roast and pasta, chicken and pasta. Now one time cook, one time and done.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man, they look good, man. They look good. Good vibes.
Who's next?
Yeah, no. I'm just coming to check who you guys are, just so I know, so I can. Do you do this every night or?
No.
4 times a week.
You do it 4 times. All right. No. I'm not judging or anything. I'm just asking because I've not seen you guys before. So.
Okay.
Smells nice.
I was going to say, and this lot will be.
Yeah,
hungry.
it smells nice, and our guests would like it, so we're not going to have it.
No.
But it's lovely. It's not.
No. That's why I just went. No. It's cool.
It's not for us. It's for them.
We've got some stewed chicken and pasta.
Oh wow, good job. It does smell good though. Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
That's it.
Give thanks.
Lid? You gonna lid? Yes, please. Are you gonna lock up, yeah?
Yes, please.
Come with the lock up then.
Thank you very much.
Rastafari, man.
Thank you.
Yes, Shane.
What did she say? She want us to take?
One of Shane. Containers on. Yes, Good food.
You up there tomorrow?
Yeah.
Potato day tomorrow.
Blessed love, yeah? Love. Can you show them what one
Yeah. People just there to get some good food you are cook.
Yes, everyone. So, yeah, man, a good vibe. We're just sharing out the food. You want it locked up?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Thank you. It smells lovely.
Give thanks.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Very hot. Can you have all the camera on them like this? So you can see me. So you can see me.
Oh, so you can see everything in our pot.
One not.
Alright, so sorry, sir.
You need to see what's happening.
Yeah, then can see what go on in them and show them the pot.
A good vibes, man.
Alright. Hello.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're just handing out the last of the food. Big up yourself, sis. Who else is there?
We've got Shay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
Still have some left.
Excuse me, do you want some food? Yeah?
I don't have to take away.
You need a cup?
Get already few done.
It's okay?
Alright, it's alright.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Alright. You like some food, big man?
Yeah, that's it.
Big man, we want some food. Go, you want some food?
No.
Alright, cool.
Thank you. Doing a good job, man. Well done, boys.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate that, yeah?
One love, yeah?
Respect, big man.
Yeah, man.
Respect, thank you.
Love, yeah?
Thank you.
Easy.
Si, you've been out here, my bro. Helping out as well. Here's your dinner, Si.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Si, yeah?
Yes. I miss
Adam, you've been out here as well. Make sure that I get yours out there.
Yes, brother, 100%. Thank you.
Because I know it was just disappear on you, my bro.
I'm looking, man. Smelling the flavours.
There you go, my bro.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Feed them crowd, you get me?
What's almost done.
Make sure. Nah, no hungry somebody in a crowd. Oh, you mad? In our channel crowd.
Do you like one, yeah?
Yeah, take one if it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
Can't help with the house.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
If we can something there, if we can full of belly and that we are doing. You get me? If we can help
Right, so we're
somebody.
almost at a completion, everyone. So
Yes,
yeah,
man.
man. A good vibes. You like the food? You like the food?
Yes, yes. You want something?
Come.
Ah, nice.
Yo, big up Ringo.
Oh yeah, Ron, you want one?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah?
I'm okay.
I love Ronnie. Love.
You good?
Yeah?
Yeah, bye.
Just caught it.
Last
Two of them, yeah?
Yeah, please.
Last two.
Give thanks.
Thank you, guys.
Give
Oh,
thanks.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
Ringo.
There you go.
Happy. Yes.
Ringo.
She, I don't know what she was doing. It's done now.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah, it's done now. Gibberish in the pot.
No, do that.
Today was a very good day. Quick things, come out here and we hand out the food. Maybe 50, 60 people quickly get some food, you understand?
Give him my one, man.
Huh?
Give him my one, man.
You sure?
Yeah, go on. Come on.
You still have to taste some, Adam.
Yeah, I know.
Because you got a big one.
Give it a chicken, man. Come on.
No, that's the last one. That's it. That's it. Good stuff. Thank you very much, everybody. Good vibes. What do you want, tissue? Yeah, you got that? That's it. Yeah, man, that's a go on. I could taste the bun out of the pot. Yeah, I could taste the bun. One love, everybody. Love is completed. It's finished.
Finished?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Sorry.
That was my fault because I was down there fucking chatting away. Never mind.
Alright then. We need the next pot, people, yeah? Instantly. One love to each and every one of you. Good vibes.